guys, my vlog for today, I will show you my lunch. Jollibee, pabida-bidang bida. Yan, pabidang-bidang bida. 2 chicken spicy, yan, and then 1 rice, and then gravy, and then Coke. Ayan, Coke. Yan. Let's eat, guys. Let's eat. Ganda rin yung paa. Ang paa-paa. You're so yummy, yummy. Yan. So yummy, yummy. But actually, I don't like laham. Yung, gusto ko lang yung ito, yung pakpak, yung wings na may buto. Mas gusto ko yung may buto kaysa laman. Ito laman. Yan. Ayan guys, kain tayo guys.